Focus camera. There we go. We are at Oracle Road and Rancho Visitosos. And you've got some very old McCain buttons. This thing is also pretty loose. Oh, it's just the covering, it's loose too. Look at this. This is sort of new. Oh, turn those on. Green mode. Look how far that is down there. Here's the position with it around. Oh, walk sign went off over there. I don't understand how far that actually is, but there's that one. 35 seconds, huh? This thing is loose. Dang. Oh, 15 seconds left until the timer goes off. Three, 2, 1, yellow lights. Challenge accepted. That one right there's got some, that one's got a new one. Actually, look at this. This right here's creepy.
Getting it done.
Yeah, that one's got a new Fisherman. That's it.